Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can install yourself Docker on your Windows 11 PC. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So after you have opened it, now click on the search bar and start typing www.docker.com. After you have typed that down, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Docker. So here you can see this is the official website of Docker, and all you have to do is click on this option download Docker desktop. You can scroll down in here, then you will be able to see the option of download for Windows AMD64. Simply click on this and then a file will be automatically downloaded. Here you can click on this option right here and you can see a file is being downloaded in here. It will take few times in order to completely be downloaded. So after the download process has been completed, now all you have to do is install it. In order to do that, now open the downloaded file. In order to open the download file in the Chrome, all you have to do is click on this three dot bar right here and then click on downloads. And here you can see this is the downloaded file. Now click it in order to open it. And then here you can see the installation process has begun. All you have to do is click on OK right here. And here you can see all the files are being unpacked and it will take few minutes. And after all the files has been unpacked, there you will be able to see the option of close and restart. Click on this blue button close and restart and then your PC will be restarted. So after restarting your PC, this type of pop-up will be shown in your PC and all you have to do is click on accept in order to accept all the terms and conditions of Docker app. So if you want to use the advanced settings, you can click on the advanced settings right here, but I would suggest the settings to be kept on use recommended settings. So after you've done that, all you have to do is click on finish. And that is it. Now your Docker app has all been set. And in here, all you have to do is sign in. You can connect it with your Google or create your separate account using your email. You can even skip this by just clicking on this option skip. And like this, here you can see you have now successfully installed Docker app on your Windows 11 PC. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.